I've been teaching in criminal justice for about 25 years, and the last several years have been completely online, and so it's not my passion anymore. It was my passion, and so I started for myself, getting healthier and working out and trying to eat better, and then decided that I wanted to share that with others. And so I got my personal training certification and some other continuing education programs, and focusing on mindfulness and holistic health. And then I started doing it and love it. And so I'm happy that I found my passion again. And I work a lot with older adults. Got my senior fitness specialist last year so that I could help more with those that are over 65. So I have several clients that are from 65 to 80. I have two 80-year-old clients. So I work a lot with balance, flexibility, things that are gonna help them decrease their chances of falling, and building up strength and just making life better for them. I love what I do. I'm really enjoying being able to help people in this way. I certainly love my studio. Tell your friends, if you know anybody that's looking to kind of make some changes in their health, come see me. We'll get you back where you were, or at least close.